Pretty full in there. See? Super full. This one's real full. Look how full. They smell different. They smell like chicken, like baby chickens in here. They have a smell. It's like a sweet smell. The air sac's getting bigger, you can see. See? I marked it at day 11. It's day 13 now. I don't think we'll be able to see anything in here. Oh, maybe. Here we go. I don't think we're gonna see anything. I promise it's moving in real life. Nope, it's too dark in there. It's pretty full. If the air sac's growing, that's a good thing. It means it's fine. Almost full. Alright, it's getting bigger in there. Look at that. I don't guess it'd be getting bigger. The yolk's swelling pretty good, see? I think there's a baby in there. Let's see, I saw it here. Oh yeah, see? It's actually right there. You can see it. I don't know what that is. Guess we'll find out. This side's getting pretty big. Guess we'll see in a few days. I don't know. Do I see it? Whatever that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know. This one looks a lot different. We'll see. You see the air sac's growing.